Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson here today to show you this G23 Paragon that we just got in. This is obviously the 2020 version. This is a phenomenal boat. Just give you a quick little run through on it. Totally new boat from Nautique. This is the 23. We've obviously got the nice swim platform back here, nice walkthrough, really big seats that pop up here, which is really nice to have. You got the headrests that pop up, has the Paragon right in there. A lot of detail in this boat. We did add the subwoofers in the back, the wake subs. So there's a total of 4 subwoofers on this boat. This this system in here is really, really loud. So come on board and take a look. One of the really main features of this boat is the tower. It really stands out as something unique that no other boat in the surf world has. And this is a tower that does go up and down by actuators. So you press a button right over here, the whole tower will go up and down. We've got a pair of 8.8 speakers up in here and up in here as well. Got the nice seating. So this seat comes all the way back. You can put it in a couple different spots. You can put it right here, or we can lift it up and actually put it back here. This seat pops up, this seat pops up, then you've got lots of seating, obviously looking back at all the surfing and wakeboarding. Still got all the amazing storage that Nautique has always come to have. We got 2 digital dashes now. So the 12.4 link pan array, which is on here. Nice big bow, filler cushions. This thing has got everything. Another thing that it does have is the brand new engine from Nautique, the PCM. It is a 600 horsepower. It's called the ZZ8. So this boat has that. Come on down to MarineMax, take a look at this boat, and as always, click the like button and also click to subscribe to see all the new videos we're posting every day.